In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a website on Godaddy. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, open your web browser and head over to the Godaddy website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see the option to sign in. If you already have an account, go ahead and click sign in. If you're new to Godaddy, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Godaddy homepage. It's a hub where you can access various services, but for today, our focus is on hosting your website. Navigate over to the products tab. This is where Godaddy lists all the products and services you've purchased or have available to use. It's like a control center for all your web needs. Now within the products section, look for the website you want to upload. If you're managing multiple domains or websites, they'll all be listed here, so take a moment to ensure you select the correct one. Once you find the right website, click on it to proceed to the next step. Next up, you're going to click on Edit. This is where you can make changes to your website before it goes live. Think of it as a chance to put those finishing touches on your site. Whether you're tweaking some final details or adding new content, this is the moment to ensure everything looks perfect. With your edits complete and your website ready to shine, the final step is to publish it. Look for the Publish button, usually prominently displayed to make the process easy. By clicking this, you're sending your website out into the digital world for everyone to see. It's an exciting moment knowing your work is about to be accessible to anyone with an internet connection. And there you have it, your website is now live on Godaddy, ready for visitors. Remember, if you ever need to make updates or changes, you can repeat this process to keep your content fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments about getting the most out of your Godaddy hosting experience. Have a great day and happy publishing.